Hey guys, this is Rima here, your Austin local realtor, and today I am here in Leander, which is located northwest of Austin area in the community called Travisso. And I'm going to be touring a home built by Taylor Morrison, which is called the Catalina floor plan. And on one of the lots that they're releasing, you can build the same floor plan that you guys want. So if you guys need information how the bidding system is working, comment below, let me know. I can guide you guys some information that's needed. Before we go ahead and get started, I want to make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and like it, as I will be giving you guys great content on Austin and its surroundings. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. This one starts roughly around 4,200 square footage. It can go up to 52 depending on what you're adding to this beautiful house. It's a two-story house, great open floor plan.